Every Monday morning, most Amazon sellers spend the first 2 to 4 hours of the week doing the same thing. Log into Seller Central, pull last week's ad spend, copy conversion data, check inventory cover, scan for returns, all before they make a single decision. Most assume that's just what Monday is. Manual, repetitive, the price of running a business. On May 28th, Anthropic shipped an update to Claude, version 4.8, that turns that 2-hour morning into a paragraph already waiting for you when you sit down. One prompt, done. In an earlier video, we showed a seller running 6 AI workers in parallel: PPC, inventory, profit, customer feedback, competitor prices, and a 6th that read all the others and wrote the summary. 6 workers, 1 paragraph, no payroll. The new release lifted that ceiling. The cap moved from 6 to 1,000. Hi, my name is Maike Intro, Non-Din's AI avatar. Non and the Seller Labs team have written the script for this video. We've sold over $80 million on Amazon since 2012, and our platform downloads over 50,000 Amazon reports every single day. We're your guide to the AI revolution in e-commerce. If you like this, click like and subscribe so you don't fall behind while your competitors figure this out first. Here's what changed. On the old version of Claude, a big weekly question worked through the answer one piece at a time. Sequential, slow. The new version lets Claude split the question across many helpers running at the same time, up to 1,000 total, 16 running side by side at any moment. Each helper takes one piece of the answer. Other helpers try to argue with the results. Only the answers that hold up make it into the summary. For an Amazon seller, that means a weekly question that used to take a few minutes can finish in a fraction of the time, and the summary you get back has already been checked. The seller writes one prompt. Claude does the splitting, the checking, and the combining. Picture your Monday morning. You typed your weekly question on Sunday night. Claude decided it needed 12 helpers. 1 pulled ad spend by campaign, 1 pulled profit by SKU, 1 pulled inventory cover days, 1 pulled customer feedback movement, 1 checked competitor prices on your top ASINs, 1 looked at buy box wins and losses, 1 scanned returns by ASIN. They all ran at the same time. 2 more double-checked the numbers. Claude pulled every answer together. 1 paragraph. 3 things to look at first. That landed in your messaging app at the time you set. The morning that used to be 2 hours of report pulling became 15 minutes of decisions. Here's how to use it today. Most sellers try this the first time and do it wrong. They open Claude and type, "Give me my Monday Amazon report." That prompt is too vague. Claude has to guess which metrics matter. The output looks fine. None of the numbers are the ones you needed. Here's what you paste instead. 6 lines. Connect to my MCP, the word workflow. Pull last week, Monday through Sunday, Amazon performance, and the prior week for comparison. For each ASIN, give me net profit, units sold, units returned, ad spend, and ACOS. Show a table. ASIN last week profit, prior week profit, profit change in dollars and percent, ad spend change. Flag do not act. Any ASIN whose profit dropped more than 20% week over week. Any ASIN whose ACOS rose more than 5 points. Any ASIN whose returns doubled. Write 1 paragraph. The 3 things I should look at first and why. If a number is missing, tell me what's missing. Don't guess. Don't make changes. Before you run it, 3 quick questions to ask yourself. Did I name the specific metrics I want, not just performance? Did I tell Claude what to flag versus what to act on? Did I tell Claude what to do when a number is missing? If yes to all 3, run it. The first few weeks, run it Monday morning while you're at the desk, so you can check the output against what you'd expect. Once you trust it, set Claude to run it on a schedule and have the result delivered to your messaging app. The version of Claude that does this is called Claude Code. Same Claude, the variant that talks to your data and runs tasks on its own. If this is the kind of insights you want for your business, hit subscribe. We do this every week. 3 honest notes before you go. 1. Claude isn't running your business. It's pulling the data and writing the summary, so your morning starts with the answer instead of the lookup. The decisions are still yours. 2. 1,000 helpers is the ceiling, not the typical use. Most weekly reports need 10 or 15, and Claude picks the number on its own. The point isn't the number. The point is, the morning starts with the answer. 3. Some Seller Central screens still need a click-through, not just an API call. The new version is the strongest yet about, but it's a separate setup step. If you haven't connected an MCP yet, Seller Labs has one, link below. The questions are universal. The connection is what varies. So here's the question. Of the 5 metrics in that prompt, net profit, units sold, units returned, ad spend, ACOS, which one would you look at first Monday morning? Drop the number. See you in the next one.